Following SMG's camera lens, we can see steel billets being conveyed to the heating furnace via the roller table, where they are heated to the optimal temperature required by the continuous rolling process. Our mature and reliable heating technology ensures uniform heating of the steel billets. SMG is a turnkey EPC contractor for metallurgical projects, providing integrated solutions including consulting, design, equipment supply, installation, commissioning and production operation. After the steel billets are heated to the required temperature in the furnace, the billets are transferred to the two-high reversing mill for rough rolling via conveyor roller tables. SMG's two-high reversing mill features sophisticated design and reliable performance. It can effectively roll the billets to initially form the shape of I-beams. The rough rolling process is a key step that determines the internal. I-beams are among the most commonly used structural steel sections in construction and engineering projects. Due to their excellent load-bearing capacity and structural stability, they are widely applied in building frames, bridges, high-rise buildings and industrial facilities. Next, the semi-finished steel billets after rough rolling are fed into the two-high finishing mill for the finishing process. SMG's finishing mills are equipped with advanced control systems to ensure the I-beams achieve precise dimensions and smooth surfaces. The finishing process further optimizes the shape and performance of the I-beams, enabling them to better meet various practical application requirements. Finally, after the completion of finishing rolling, the newly formed I-beams are conveyed to the cooling bed for cooling. Our cooling bed is designed to ensure the cooling process of the I-beams is uniform and controllable, further enhancing their physical properties. When you choose SMG, what you get is support from a strong technical team, professional and reliable turnkey solutions, cost-effective products, and comprehensive services. We are committed to providing customers with professional, reliable, and cost-effective turnkey solutions that meet or even exceed your expectations. Whether for large-scale or small-scale section steel production lines, SMG has the capability and confidence to provide you with a suitable, complete set of production equipment and comprehensive services. Choose SEM. Live up to your trust.